Welcome students. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வீடியோல 11th maths lesson 11 integral calculus exercise number 11.1ல third sum பார்க்க போறோம். Integrate the following with respect to x. 12 power 3. So integration of 12 power 3 dx.
இப்போ இதுல 12 power 3ங்கிறது constant, then integration of dx. What is integration of dx? Integration of dx equal to x plus c. So 12 power 3 x plus c is the answer. Okay va? Next second subdivision, integration of x power 24 divided by x power 25 dx, that is equal to integration of, இப்போ x power 24ம் இங்க இருக்கிற 25ல 24ம் கட் ஆகி மீதி ஒரு 1 மட்டும் இருக்கும். So integration of 1 by x dx. What is the formula? Integration of 1 by x dx equal to log of modulus of x plus c is the answer. Okay va? Next third subdivision, integration of e power x dx. What is integration of e power x? Integration of e power x dx equal to e power x plus c is the answer. இதோட இந்த sum முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. Thank you students.